Hello there, I am Mohammed, founder of the Growth Suite. In this video, I will show you how to install Growth Suite on your store. This is my test store. I just click on apps in here, type Growth Suite. You can directly search it on Shopify App Store too. I click on this one and then click on install button. Again, I click on install button. Now I will type my name, my email address. I am from this Shopify store owner. Continue. This step asks you your growth strategy in Growth Suite. You have three different options. Based on the options you choose, Growth Suite will optimize everything regarding it is smart discount offers. I highly recommend to keep it as it is, brand and conversion balanced. This is the best combination. You won't make too much offers. At the same time, you will maximize your conversions. You can always change these settings later, so don't worry about it. Choose the best one for you and click on continue. Now in this step, Growth Suite asks you to connect your Google Analytics data. It is very simple, just one click. If you are using Google Analytics, I highly recommend it. If you don't use it, you can always skip this step. I will connect mine. Now it asks me permissions. I will give permission. Then this is where you need to choose your package. As you might know, we have monthly and annually plans. Monthly plans comes with 14 days free trial. If you choose annual plans, you will get 25 days free trial and 2 months free. Choose the best option you want. I need to choose this one. You have a 14-day free trial. You can use Growth Suite unlimitedly during this time, and you can delete anytime with just one click. Now I will update my information in here and we will continue. Now, after updating my payment info, this is the last step. I need to activate my team extension. I just click on activate extension button in there. It will open my Shopify team. In this page, my browser currently blocking cookies. It is no problem regarding that. My app is enabled, as you can see. I just need to click on save button in here. That's it. Now I click on complete onboarding in here and it is ready to go. In this step, Growth Suite first needs to collect a few data to start working, so you don't need to worry about it. You will get an email when data collection is complete and Growth Suite starts to work. It usually takes less than 2 days, and most of the time you will get sooner. During this time, you can update your trigger discount settings. As you can see here, for example, you may want to give maximum 10% discount or minimum 6%. You can update your timers, like 13 minutes, minimum time 5 minutes. You can change your pop-ups, image, all of the text in here, as you can see, all colors. It is very simple, as you can see in my screen. I just updated and it will appear. That's all. You can change everything as you wish. Just make your change and then click on update. This is very important. You need to update your trigger discounts because Growth Suite will immediately start working when data collection is complete. After that, came back here. You can book a growth workshop with me. It's also very important because Growth Suite has a data engine and it collects very important data to help you in marketing, conversion, and other areas of growth. Also, we are constantly working on Growth Suite to make it better. It isn't just discount pop-up. There are some hidden features too. If we see any fit in your case, we will immediately activate free of charge for you. So just book the free call, workshop call. Let us meet and we will came up the meeting with great ideas for your store. At the same time, you can add your team members in here. Just type their name, write their emails. They will get an email from Growth Suite, so they will, start to use this order analytics, product analytics, customer analytics reports. And then, of course, you can check out reports. Currently, this is a test store. It is a closed store. There will be no report. But for your case, you will able to see our different reports on your case. That's all. No code, no theme change. I just installed the application, enter my information, collect Google Analytics with one click, activate my free trial. It is 14 days free trial, and you can always cancel it by visiting here. Just click on edit button and clicking on cancel your subscription. It will cancel your package automatically. It is very simple as you see, and just install the application, follow the instructions, and that's all. If you have any question, just let us know. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.